This week I've been checking out the Umidigi AirBuds U, and for under $20, it's actually quite nice. Check out the full video, USB-C on top of it, bonus. Umidigi's taken a different design twist here. These are magnetically inserted, so you really have to put some force in them. And just like that, you can access your earbuds. They fit really well in the ear. I like this design. Could rest in ear, but they aren't poking in your ear, so that I prefer. All right, the charging modules are down there, which are nice, and these go in only one way, as you can imagine. And there's the base. You just drop them in. They're magnetic from that point on, and they stick in there pretty darn good. If you really try hard, you can get them. You get the point. Bluetooth 5.1. They have environmental noise cancellation. I'm gonna see if I can test that out. They have features of tapping, double tap, triple tap, with different modes, gaming mode, reject calls. It has 24-hour playback, 20 hours of calling. Now let's add the device. We'll add the AirBuds U. Okay, it sees them right there. Okay, allow history, pair. And there you go. Oh, and there's a firmware update. Let's click on that. Sure enough, that's nice. I like when companies have firmware updates. It shows they care about their product. Looks like the update is complete. The LEDs also illuminate, showing you that they're charging. When they're done charging, they turn green.
So I'm calling an Apple phone from an Android phone, and I have the Android AirBuds U connected to the Android. So now you're able to hear through the speakerphone the voice quality as I speak. And actually, it's really good. I think the voice quality is excellent. What I will try to do is I'm going to move some things around in the background and try to create some environmental noise, see what that looks like. So right now in the background, I'm moving around some pens on the desk. I'm going to try doing some typing next. So this is environmental typing in the background. Let's see if that picks up much, anything at all. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now we're going to walk over here. We're going to do some other things around, boxes, some of those. I'm going to walk, and I'm going to open a door. Okay, I'm going to shut a door, see if that does anything. So we can test out the quality there. Okay.
And now for the positives and the negatives. By the way, the negatives could all be prefaced with, it is just $20. So let's get into that. Manually switching between multiple devices. So if you have a cell phone and a laptop and you're dealing between Microsoft Teams and your cell phone, it will only connect or reconnect to the last device it's synced to, which at least it does remember that. It's not some weird thing where it's always going back to your cell phone and then you have to reconnect it to your laptop. Once you're connected for the day unless you disconnect it and then reconnect it to another device. Could be a positive, could be a negative. The other thing is the 30-foot distance. So again, great battery life, but I also wonder too is if they had a setting that maybe could boost the signal. I've tried other Bluetooth devices that have more range. So is that maybe why they're doing this? This is definitely good battery power, but the distance at 30 feet's a little on the short side if you work from home. The environmental noise, I think you both, all of us heard, that I didn't see what the real value of that was. I couldn't tell that it was actually doing anything. So that was maybe a little bit disappointing. Not sure what overall that is doing, but the sound quality's there. All right, positives. Let's get into that. The battery life, again, really good. I can go most days doing all kinds of video conferencing and it's all good. It always connects to the last pair device. I will call that a positive. The price point, you can't beat $20, folks. You could lose these and not worry about it, but hopefully you don't. Then what else do we have? The sound quality. I thought that I've not had any complaints. Done a lot of meetings this and also on the cell phone, and the sound quality is good. I never have anybody ask me to repeat something. So in that sense, they've been great. And they're very comfortable in the ears. So good stuff all the way around. Anyway, thought this might be good for you if you're checking out. A lot of these new devices are coming out now. For $20, you can't beat it. So there you go. Got it on Amazon. Y'all take care. Have a great weekend. See you. Bye.